there, and welcome to this Learn, Make, Create episode of Annie's Creative Studio. I'm Lena Skvagerson, lead designer at Annie's, and today I'm here with you to take a close look at the beautiful and interesting textured shells scarf designed by Kristen Stoltzfus Clay. I will show you how to work the shell texture for the first half of the scarf, and then how to work the super smart cable border in each end of the scarf. It's a surprisingly easy technique that I'm quite excited to share with you today. To finish it off, I will show how to attach the tassels to the cable loops. If you're not a member yet, I think you should give it a try. Just sign up and you could start watching and download patterns for free today.